Hi, Taylor. Thanks for taking a few minutes to talk with me today.
Hey, Karen, glad to do it. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I am pretty new to our Syngas team, and from what I understand, we have a few conferences coming up in September for Syngas people in the Syngas industry specifically. Can you tell me a little bit about a conference that you are coordinating some of the Clariant team members for?
Sure, that would be the AICHE Ammonia Safety Symposium, and this year will be the 66th annual symposium. And really, the overall objective is just to increase the safety and performance of ammonia plants and also ammonia handling facilities. This year it will be September 11th through the 15th at the downtown Chicago Hyatt.
Awesome. 66 is a lot of years of experience getting it better and better. And as I understand it, you specifically have a leadership role with this conference?
Yes, this year I'm honored to serve as the chairman, and together with 16 other board members, we work very hard with the AICHE to bring this high quality event every year.
Cool. So you are the right guy to talk to about this conference, in the know, and if people have questions, I'm sure they can reach out to you to ask about this conference specifically. I guess with that, who's the right audience, or who should attend this conference?
Well, really anyone that's interested in the safety and performance of their ammonia plants or storage facilities. And what that typically includes is plant managers, engineering managers, production managers, safety managers, but also process and reliability engineers, and really anybody that's interested in that safety and performance aspect of ammonia plants or ammonia handling facilities.
Safety and performance are both very important in the plant world. I went to a similar conference when I was a process engineer at a refinery, and I actually was able to use it. I got to pick 2 trainings a year, external trainings to go to, and I was able to use the conference as a training ground. Is this and I learned a ton about the plant. Is this conference something that has a lot of training opportunities or development opportunities for new engineers?
Yes, it sounds very similar to some of those ones that you attended. These are all, the 2.5 days of program is built upon hours and hours and hours of work that's distilled down into a 30-minute presentation with Q&A. So very high quality presentations. And then finally on the last day, we have a roundtable open format discussion. And so even if you're new, even if you haven't been to this before, it's a great training and development opportunity for all things ammonia.
Cool. And then I guess with those papers and other things that are put together, is Clariant specifically presenting any of this?
Yes, as a matter of fact, our Michelle Anderson is presenting with Nutrien on a new ammonia synthesis catalyst, and our Pat Hayes is going to be presenting on a high temperature shift reactor incident. And finally, our Scott Osborne will also be presenting at a adjacent meeting as a part of a customer / licensor user group with our partner.
Perfect. Clariant, strong team Clariant for the win there. Where, if somebody is like, they see this video, I'm going to be at this conference, where can they find some of the Clariant team members?
Well, we'd love to connect with anyone that's interested over some of the various networking breaks. And also we'll be co-hosting a hospitality suite with our partner KBR on Monday night. Love to see you in Chicago.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much, Taylor. I just have a dog running behind me, but have a great day. I really appreciate the time, and see you later.
Thanks, Karen. It's really my pleasure, and hope to see you in Chicago.
Awesome.